Hi, I'm here reviewing this TACKLIFE drill. Received this drill about a week ago and very impressed. So just take you some features and show you what the drill comes with. With the drill, you get a bunch of bits. You get this great tool to be able to drill in tight places. Very flexible, works great. You get a battery charger. You get a tool clip. You get a bunch of drill bits, wood and metal, and you get a case. So this case, obviously everything goes in together, very good. Then some cool features on the drill. It is able to be a hammer drill, so with a slight adjustment, you can use hammer drill, you can use different speeds, basic drill, has obviously a light, very shine, helps out in tight spaces, reverse, battery release, push, comes right off. Battery has also indicator, you can tell how charged the battery is. This is a great tool and I highly recommend it. TACKLIFE, great company.